Hello, guys. Sorry for that. Late again. Same freaking shit every day, yeah? Not that much discipline. That is the only problem, okay? I've got big problem. This lunchtime, UK lunchtime is the problem, okay? It's alright. We didn't miss anything. We don't have to be exactly the time we have to be from here. As they're coming down, I don't know, let me a little bit catch my breath, man. Just ate and I ran. For the time being, I'll think about going up for a while. If they can close it up. Let me get into my chart. It's so bad. I cannot even talk because I ate and I'm here. I don't even know what the chart is, whatever it is, but how I can see already is already up. 1 hour came here. This is 1 hour chart. This is 1 minute chart. Okay. So what 1 hour is doing, they came all the way up here. Sorry for that. Trading the CPI low. This is the important level, you know. I keep it just to see how they react. Look at this, the reaction. And if you check it yesterday as well, you'll see how many times these things, you know, look, that this is the low. Yesterday struggle there. Then given this further move. And now today came back to exactly there. They, you know, whatever they're doing, you know. If they can close quickly on the top of it, little buy would not hurt. But if they retrace down more, I don't know what to do. Truly speaking, let me a little bit research, okay, because I'm just checking. I didn't even log into my account, man. They close down. Now question is, will they go up or they crashing down? So for a while, why I'm saying it, if they take out some sort of a liquidity from here, then they can do something. But that's what I'm thinking. But if I think they will, do you think they will do it? How I think? Let me get into it. Sorry for that. I'm so much not ready. It's alright. We'll have time. Today, silver bullet will get trade. Hopefully. Come on, man. Go up if you can. Or if you go down as well, I don't mind. If they go down. So yeah. So they trap the people. So 9:30 open. They still trying to drag down. Okay, perfect. This one. So this one is a low. If they have to go up, this is the last area they can stay here. If they go down, yeah, they're going down. What can you do? They can go only either ups or down. That's the only way they can do, you know. Wherever you go, I'm with you, the market. It came here, rejection block. They just, so showing they want to come to the today's opening price, looks like. Whatever they do, let them do it. Look, still now didn't set up my $2850. Shit, I'm saying to you my numbers. Okay, is it all right? Okay, logged into account. The world stop again. So okay, they're falling down. Good job. Go. So they came to this gap and they just fell. They didn't need to take out because there was SMT. Now if they take out, means they want to dig down more. But if they So how I'm thinking right now, this is the 9 o'clock candle, okay? Oh, it still didn't take out this low, yeah? So they're still alive. But now they will fall because they created a gap here. So now the question is, will they take out this down this low? Yes, they're taken out this low. So they created a little gap here. We are watching. But what I'm saying, if they have to go down, these candles should close down under here. But if they create a gap here, it will be funny. These are the area I would look for. I want them to come around this area, and then we'll look for again for a buy if they show us a sign. I have to log into my account. Still now I didn't log in, you know. Stupid guy, man. Because I'm so breathless, I cannot talk even, man. Because I ate and I ran. I have to do this shit a little bit earlier. So here, remember, if they give me any sign, I'll try to look for a little buy if I can. Okay, short-term trading. You know, don't follow my trades. Okay, because I'm very very anxious trader, or like you can say very impulsive trader, because I like to trade from levels. So to me, this is a level I would be interested to see if they, because I don't want them to like fall now directly like that. I just want them to do a, but it will be ready. If you want a confirmation, then take the trade from a confirmation, I would say. Without confirmation, trade is not at all valid. This is the last area they can give us a, otherwise they just you know, doing whatever they were doing, and I'll not be happy if they do go down just like that. Okay, log into your account, man. So I need to have a, what is it called, the password need to be copied. Sorry guys, you know, like not helpful today. Shit, I don't know what the hell I did. Not good. These are the area they should have given reaction to us, like quick reaction, but they are not doing it. So they created another gap. So then now the question is, are they coming down here and take out all this liquidity? Not good. So this candle, I was expecting it to go and close on the top of that. That's what I was thinking, because otherwise if they go down means they are digging down more. Do you understand? So that's how I'm thinking right now. This candle, I want them to be bad, but they didn't do it. That means they got further downside to dig. This one was a order block. They just didn't respect it. So no, 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 man. No, 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 no. I thought I'll take some risk today, but I don't know how. Show a sign. They just, their life stopped there. Okay, that's it. You should not go anymore, man. So this one doesn't have any power. So that means what they're doing is not a good things to do. I'm just logging to my accounts. Okay, all these accounts have to, because I was not ready. Dash it, dash it. So last barrier as well, they just taken it. So that means they are coming to today's opening price, and because they have to completely close down. If they should not keep any kind of gap. Look, 1 hour, they need to close down completely before what is it called, before 10 o'clock. If they keep a gap, I don't know how they're gonna trade, but I think they're falling. Looks like it. They already completely closed down the gap. So now will they give retracement? That's the question for a while. or they're gonna further fall. This candle will tell us if they're gonna go through this this little gap, or they're gonna get retrace, or they're gonna do like a reversal, let's say. Or not reversal, sorry, like what is it called? No, they didn't do it. So they are getting hammered from there as well. So they're selling. They're getting hammered. They should have just gone through like crazy, you know. So that means they didn't want anybody to buy it from there. They got further plan to go down. So this one, they came here, they should have just gone and then invert this area. They didn't do that. So still now they didn't take out the low. Now they taken out. Okay, so now they came to 830 price and the today's opening price. That means they becoming bearish. So this is our today's opening price. They're testing it. They just tested it. So from today's price, will there be a little reaction or not? That's the question. Are they giving us something from here? Trade C. I'm testing Trade C from what is it called? Lucid. I like the platform. Where the hell is it? How to go inside there? Okay, let me go from their chart. So so look how big candle it was, and then they coming down like that, and they close down all the gaps. So now what can I think about it? Do you think it's a bullish sign? To me, not really. Because if they were bullish, they would have created a gap here, isn't it? But don't get me wrong, from rebalancing it to the new day opening gap, from here as well, they can easily, look now, this one will be a order block. So yeah, from here as well, they can easily do it. But they have to be like big candles, okay, from this area. So they close down, they need to go fast and furious. No stopping. Look, they already closed down on the top of that. This candle is our buy. They have to be fast and furious if they have to go up. Any kind of money quickly have to take out. So they already closed it. Let's see. Taken out this low and then came to new day opening gap, and they went there. But you know, this kind of inversion, I don't like it. I would have liked it this one. From here as well, don't get me wrong, they can go up. But I didn't like it. So further watching. But look at this. If I bought it from my Lucid, but the thing is that, you know, I came out. But this can be a very good trade as well. So this could be like a reaction from the new day opening gap. So it needs further evidence. Because I didn't like it that the 1 hour candle that much came down, means it's not a good sign. So they went up. I didn't even check today. What is it called? ES. Let me a little bit rather than. Okay, so these are the signs that they're not like they are weak still now. So that's what I'm saying. This one didn't give me a bullishness yet. I mean, this one telling me that, you know, they can close under, because the next 15 minutes candle started. Where is the next 15 minutes candle? Then I will talk about it. Okay, so they get supported from 830 price and the today's opening price. Okay, so the question is, can they hold this on? Look, there is a gap. They traded. There is gap. Now inverted, created gap. These are all good sign for to go up until what area? At least this low, this area. But do I want to trade like this? Not really, because this one didn't take out any kind of higher time frame liquidity or anything. They didn't give any confirmation as well. Nothing. So I mean, like, how can I trust it? Selling will be the option maybe, but for selling they need to go under this this area. They need to give a continuation. Anyways, let's watch. There's nothing to do. This fall I couldn't trust it because look, they went there, traded this gap, and they fell. Okay, they closed down here, but not with this candle. Look, so this is still valid for, look here. I still cannot talk, man. I'm feeling vomiting. Look here. Sorry for that, because I have to eat early. And they didn't close it, so the next candle closed. How far they went? Should I take a trade? Actually, the rules should be taking the trade from there. Where should be my stop loss then? Here. I mean, like, come on. I don't want to trade like that. So this one now, testing this one. If they give me a continuation, this one can be a trade. Looks like they're weak. But it all depends on how they trade. Yeah, how they close down as well, like everything together. Good day, good day. We'll have trade. Quite a good trade. I feel like short it from there, but I don't know. I should not. Because this one, how they're doing little until the closing under here is nothing, because and then they're on the top of new day opening gap. I'm watching. Because how they did the, what is it called, that where they're bouncing back from is not like a area I was expecting them to bounce back. This is the daily. Okay, they came here to take out this low and then they did this bounce. Okay, so that's, this one to me is nowhere. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So now they're trying, but the question is that anytime they can just bounce back from here to go a little bit higher, because from here where they're going down is just this like a order block. I'm not saying this is order block, just some kind of like a manipulation move. Bang, bang, bang. So now they're taken out this low. Good job. Everything is good, man. So do you understand what I'm saying? Like, so 1 hour should not be like that. So 1 hour was big and they should come down and close here. Then it will be interesting. Interesting. So now they're taken out. So there are lots of equal low. They left it here. Look here. These lows. Get me? Isn't it beautiful to take out these lows? Exit. Yeah. So now they're taken out all these equal lows. See? I don't know what I'm doing. So this is the one. Okay. So these are the all equals low. They're taken out. Sorry, why I'm changing? Because I'm like, I got shocked by these guys. But did you understand the thinking? Look, they gone high there, and from this area CPI low, what a reaction. But I didn't trust it CPI low because I don't have enough data that how many times they do it. This is the first time I'm checking this one. Look, so I kept it by somehow because I forgot to delete it. Why? Because they didn't make. I'll show you, like even ES should little bit drag little bit down. Okay, now they came here 49. What happened? Anything happened in the world? But this is the simple, like what is it called? Structure. So this one now saying the next candle. I mean, this one now became ugly. Look at this. 4 hours. Bullish candle, now they're going down. If they go down here and close down here, do you think the next candle will come up? Do you understand why I'm saying that this is became a bad things right now for the trading community? I don't know what to say. It's very nice, interesting. What? Don't say we lost money. No, didn't lose it. Sorry for that. Rhythmic. So now trapping. If they come up before taking this low, should we take a trade? It's up to you. You have to decide, man. I take trades here and there, so don't follow me. I don't know. Yes, go down farther, little bit farther, please. Little bit more. 42. Yeah, 42. They did it, but there'll be bang here. Bang. 23 right now. Okay, so 23 means they've taken out the low of these lows, yeah, today's low. No, sorry, is it today's low? Not really. They taken out the low, yeah, today's low they taken out. Sorry for that. Yeah. So now they taken out today's low. But now ugly things will happen. But now I have to find out where they can go, and then because as I'm long-term bullish, let me find out, okay? Because there is no point of unnecessary wasting time. There is an area there. I'm interested in that. The top of this gap. Let me put an alert. These are the area I'll be interested to like get a rebounds from there, but I don't know if they're gonna do rebounds today. This is the area. What else is there? This low. Okay, so if they come to this low, do I believe that this chart is still bullish anymore after that? I don't think so. If they take out this low means it's like, I don't know what can happen, truly speaking. I really don't know. I have to rethink. Okay, we are short-term trader. We'll every time we revalue our positions. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So now whatever they do, I'm gonna just check. Like let's do some analysis. Okay, there is no point of unnecessarily wasting our time. Okay. So they came up here, traded the CPI low, and then the freaking falling. So they're falling. This is one of the foothold. I marked it. Let's see if what they do from there. And then 4 hours, how they close. Look at this 4-hour candle. If they still didn't close under. Okay, see. So they're keeping some kind of a chances. Because let me tell you something. Let me see where ES is. Yes. Where are you? Yes. ES is still not showing any sign. Okay. So if I check ES from here, let me discuss. Look here. So yesterday, I think I put some lines. I think it's gone. It was 97 or something like that here. But they look one tick short. They came to the low. Can they retrace back from here? Yeah, they can. Look there. I was just thinking like 97 something it was. I don't know if they saved it or not. I don't even know where am I, man. Yeah, if you check my live streaming yesterday, there was a line here, I think. I have to save my chart. So that line, it came and today's low was 98.25. My line was 97 something. As far as I remember, I completely forgot because the line was supposed to be there. I think I saved it and I put an alert. I don't know why this line is not showing anymore. If the alert is there as well, I don't know. Let me see. ES crossing horizontal ray. What time? What is the price, man? 1 hour, not really. Daily, this one maybe. No, I don't know, man. Sorry, it's gone. So yeah, they came here. Can they reverse from there? They can. So that's what I'm saying. So if 4 hours close here, I mean 4 hours still, this one is showing sign of that's enough for them. I think that's how they're trying to say. But NQ, why am as well bullish? NQ is the ugly one. So if they have to be bullish, they have to go higher from here, or keep something there to, like, just they have to. We have 5 minutes. They should come here to within 5 minutes. Okay. So they taken out today's low today. Just a little bit earlier, you saw it. with the bang bang, I sold it, truly speaking. I know you'll say, oh, why you don't show it? I don't want to show you. Sorry for that. Not now. When I have things, when I have confidence, I'll show you. At this minute, I don't have it. So I cannot show you. Sorry for that. But what I'm saying, just try to check it. Okay, today's low. Today's low. Okay, this is the today's low they taken, and then now they doing some sort of a things, but this is not a good structure to go up. But if they close down under this area, look here, if 1 hour close down here, they taken out liquidity, I don't like it. They need to close under if they have to be bearish. With my analysis, okay, lots of people will say opening price gone, is not gone. This one, look, is they taken out, they're going up. So the next 4 minutes, they should be here then, or they can come up to there. The next 4 minutes is very important. But this one, what they created, this is the order block as well. Today's low taken, then the order block, but there is no gap. That's the only things they don't have it. If they had a gap, I would have said, I'm buying it. But they don't have a gap, but they got order blocks. This is a propulsion block. Now they created, okay. Order block, propulsion block. Let's see how they work. If they follow it or not. ICT. So this is testing the order block already done. Now this one traded this order block 1 minute, okay. So this should be the propulsion block, and according to ICT it should propel right now, but there is no gap. That's why it's not a plus setup. But they taken out today's low. If they have any bullishness to it, this is the area they will just tap it and go. Okay, do you understand how I'm thinking? This is a trade as well, okay. So if you say, oh, I'm gonna take a trade from here and I'm gonna put my stop loss under the propulsion block, you can do that. Timing, everything ugly. 4 hours candle ugly. Opening here, gone there, came down there, and then staying in the middle. 1 hour was 1 hour. What they did? They're trying to close, but they didn't close. This kind of things happening. Okay, so it should be gone already. But as there is no gap, this is useless. So now what is that? From there, they already traded this gap. Now will they give continuation as well? That is an order block retested. Let's see if they have any respect for us, any love for us. This is propulsion. Let's say P. Put PB. I don't know what is it. Propulsion block. Now they going up. Order block retest. Propulsion block. Now what they do? We got 1 minute left. How they closing? This is our things to see. Okay. So now this is the opening price of this one. But this one went up. Only I can say this one they traded. They didn't trade it a gap. There is no gap anyways. Do I trust this one? Not really. Ugly price action. But from here as well, if you took that trade long, let's say believing that this is a propulsion block, and you said, when they came down and then you took the trade from here, your stop loss has to be under the propulsion blocks. 25 points to get what? 1 to 1, let's say. 35 already. This is 1 to 1 trade. Done. You don't have to take risk. You don't need to trade. Risk bring reward. You want to take so many confirmation and take it, you can do it. 10 a.m. 10 started. What are you doing, man? Thank you for letting us know. So our 4 hours just closed like this. It is a bullish, bearish, is up to you. Now if they come down and they go up, I like it. Then still they didn't close under. So if they come down right now and around this area, and then they say, oh, now we're gonna go up after that, I will believe this one. They following my strategy. Now for a while, if they go down, I would take it. But from there will be a bullish candle. How ugly they will be, you tell me. You trade for a long time, I think, but you know, if there is a bullish candle from here without taking this low, how ugly they will be. Do you want ugliness? Up to you. They can highest come, let's say, opening price of this one, then maybe they fall. But if they fall and come back, I can be a buyer if the long-term bullishness is there. Okay, so that is the only things I can say. So now let me see other chart as well quickly. Yeah, ES created a little gap, so that means there is a bullishness here. Okay, ES created 1 hour. If you check it, maybe here you can check it. 1 hour. What is that? 1 hour. Let's go quickly. Look, ES created this gap. Okay, so now ES gonna come back to trade half of this one or this gap, and then they further go up. Possible. Okay, so this one need a retracement right now, and this one need to take out some sort of a liquidity. Okay, so this is the theory right now. We are thinking like this right now. Okay, so if they go up and do things like that, and this one trying to be ugly, I don't know how to trade from here, because this one, if they created this one as a bullish candle, I don't know what kind of things. One bearish bullish candle, one bearish candle. Now this one bullish candle. I don't know, man. It's up to you, man. You trading for a long time. From this kind of area, better I would look for a sell, man. Big sell. Maybe, but I have to be quick, fast, furious, everything I have to do. Okay, but I have to find a like a sign. What is the sign? If they go, they didn't close down here. Okay, so let me see. I need to trade from here, but I don't know where I'm gonna enter. So they came here, didn't take out any kind of liquidity. Okay, so if this one just go up, and look, this one I still, the low didn't take out. Okay, so I'm talking about this low. Oh no, they've taken out this low. Okay, look, they've taken out this low. That means this my order block theory is invalid. So now look for other side. Yeah, this is a sell to me, but I don't know from where I should sell. Right now, or if they come up here something, because the 10 o'clock started were here and they didn't take out nothing. That's the only concern. Okay, that's the only concern, but selling is the best opportunity, I would say, to me. I don't know about you, man, but I don't know from where. Maybe a small try. Only thinking about 4 hours. 4 hour can little bit drag up little bit. Okay, if they don't want to go down now. So that's the only things I can say. But this one, if they want to go now, they have to be very fast and they have to close somewhere. Well, highest they can come here one more time, this gap, or they can come take out liquidity and then they can fall. I would prefer if they come to this new day opening gap and then they show you sign after a certain period. Little bit going down possible, but from some areas. Okay, so now they traded this little gap. Question is, because this taken too long, 1 2 3 4th candle came here. Okay, that's why it's like not that good. If it was the second candle or the third candle did it, it would be lovely. But this candle, if they close up, is very, very problematic price action. They shouldn't have done that. This candle should have closed down, according to me, man. Don't follow my advice. Okay, these are all like short-term quick trading, just to understand this candle need to close down if they have to go down. But you know, they're waiting too long here. Very, very problematic. That means they want to go up for a while. I said for a while because this one telling me 4 hours telling me bullish candle, I will not like it. Okay, this is another place they came. Only thing, you know, I told you 10 hours, 10 o'clock candle didn't take out this high. If they've taken out that high, this should be gone. But now they're not going because they want to trap people. But this gap still something there. So they close down on the top of that now. So that means they want to retest midpoint of it. Is enough, man. Come down, man. Don't ruin people, man. You gonna come down, you know about it. Why are you doing these things to other people, man? So this high should not take out anymore. If they have to go down, this is the low. This one. If they one more time go, means they're gone. From here, they should give us if they have to go down. Pillage, close down under pledge. You can do it, I know. Just close down under this one, okay? Then we'll find a continuation. This low has to be closed right now. Now or never, buddy. Pillage. You taken out this low and you didn't take out means you are a problematic person, man. But just close it, man. That's it. Close. Just close, man. Just close. Let's sell our house. I don't know. You should not do that ever in your lifetime. They didn't close. So, do you understand? So, what they're creating, they didn't close down. So, that means they got something in their mind. They are very, very problematic people. Still, they will do it, but without us. We will be with you. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, girl. What the hell I'm singing, man? Why, girl? You need to be fast. You need to be fast and furious. From now on, just go down for a while, then we'll think about anything else you have any plan, man. Please, you can do that, man. You can do that, man. You can do that, man. There is no power. See, that means it's a problem. Problem creator. So that means they want to go high, maybe. Whatever they do, we have to say, you are the boss. They closed it now, created a continuation, not with a successful candle closure, but they created it. This one became now a order block, but they need to create gap, man. Not like that. So now this low, they taken out this low. So today's low already taken. So if they had to take out further down, they should have gone. But I told you what is my long-term overview. Like, this candle, I want it to go down for a while. And then maybe we'll see. Otherwise, we'll live with ugliness. But this one doesn't want to give up, man. He's saying, I don't want to give up my life. My life is so important. Give up, buddy. Give up, please. If taken out this low further with the MNQ, they did it. NQ, they didn't do it. So now maybe this time I think they're doing it. Please go down, please, and close under here. If you go up from here, I'll be very upset with you. Look at this price action. Did you see? How difficult. Last few days you saw my recording. You guys watching me, if you watch me, you saw it already. How difficult they're creating for us. How difficult they're making it for us. Sorry for that. But if they're doing like that, how can you keep your, bias? But you understand why I want to see a downside for a while. Because otherwise this candle, if they get bullish, I don't know, man, how they're going to be bullish. This candle deserves to be here. This 4 hours candle. This 4 hours candle should go down. But I don't know why they're testing our soul. They're now going up again, man. And now what are you going to create? Another continuation? And this will be the forceful one. I'm going to keep my bias to go down for a while, man. Now close it and then the next candle will be fun. Pillage. Close it under here. This under this one. Close under there, this one and today's low. And show us love. That's it. Loved it. But you have to be forceful now. Forceful means you have to show us sign. Don't bounce from here, yeah? You're not a good person, man. What is it? Brackhaven? This is ugly, man. Seriously. They don't want to do that. I think they've given up. I think they've given up. Now they should give up, man. Go down. Don't make double bottom or double shit. Double bottom, we don't like it. We like bang, bang. This is the level. Okay, come quickly. You touched it here already. Yeah, that's it. 150 point taken. Okay, done. This was order block. 50 points, more than 50 points taken. I'm out. You'll say, oh, really? Yes. Yes. Now they're in the hour zone. So now 4 hours, what they're doing? 1 hour already gone down. 1 hour created an order block. Look, I forgot about it. That's why I need more screen. So what they did, they came to test the order block and then they taken out the liquidity further. Now is the time to see what they do. Back to the chart, back to analysis. They already, if they have to go up, they should go up from here. I mean, according to me, why? I don't want them to, sorry for that, man. Food is still in my, seriously, like it didn't digest. I don't want them to take out this low. If they take out this low, I don't know. After that, I have to re-evaluate. Look what they're doing, what I can understand from there. So this is the last line. I don't want them to take out, this low. This low, I don't want them to take out. I want them to create something around here where, let's say, oh my God, that low. So then if they come that low, then will they not take it? Around this area, let's say, this area is my area, they should bounce. ES already came down to 1 hour, 50% of this. Look, this week 50%, because this one don't need to trade the whole things, If they come down here means they're inverting this one. So this is the area, I think. We can think about it. Yeah, look, 50% of this week they traded. That's it. If you are bullish, you can be bullish from here as well, isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. Huh? Ask ICT, man. So now this one came down here. I don't know, man. I have to check it. Let me check it. I need more chart. So yeah, they are in a right area. Just they need to go up. There is no news today, so it's just a pure. My screens are seriously. So they have to invert from here. Okay, so if they have to go up, they didn't. So what they're creating farther down, they came here. Okay, and then what? They taken out this low of this one, and now what? So I'm watching ES now intensively because they already reached the 50%. They didn't give us anything. They're creating continuation downside. Am I happy about it? Not really. But what do? We just check. When they come to a level, from there we just watch. We just observe. That's what we do. Nothing else we can do about it, isn't it? We don't control this shitty market. Sorry for that. Sorry for my... Excuse my French. That's what I can say. I'm just fixing my monitor. I don't know what the hell it happened. What is it, man? Don't go down this side. So, yeah, blue light. Is it taken out further? Can you hear the sound of my belly? Shit, man. Seriously. I have to try to come to trade early. So for that, reading done. So one I fixed it, and then the top one I have to fix it as well. So this is the area. Okay. This is the area, man. Yes. Yes, become something, man. Show us you can. Otherwise you are a dish. I'm just talking, man. I have to trade. I already taken trade from. I couldn't take trade from Apex yet. Look, see, this is the area. This is the area. We need to think about it. Let me see if ES give me confirmation. Then I will. So they inverted this area. They taken out this on this low. Can I take a long from here? That's what I'm thinking. Let's see. Can I take a long? What will be my stop loss? 25 points. To get what? Everything in your life. I can get it. Already 1 to 35. 1 to 35. 1 to 1 done. Okay. 25, 50. Yes. Now how much? 44, 46. So rejection block, rejecting it. What do you expect? You expect next candle to close as well. Bang, man, bang. The levels are so good, you know. That's it. You come out here. Don't need anything. 60 points. Not happy? Come out. Retest of that order block where they actually did this run to take out this low. Are you not happy? You need more? Take it. Alright. So now what they're creating? They're creating gaps. Hopefully gaps. And yes, you need to be better than that. So that's it, done. Trade finish, man. 60 points. You had it here. Retest of the original order block where they taken out this liquidity. Now will they go high or not? You want to do A plus setup? Wait for it and come from here. It will fail sometimes. But isn't it the better trade from the labels? So now let's see if they create your A plus. Now they created A plus setup. Okay. They taken out low, significant level. This is the gap. A plus setup should be from here, isn't it? Second trade. You didn't like my first trade, which one already taken 60 points to the original order block where they fell. Now you take your A plus setup from here. Okay. These are the trade social media gurus they tell us to take, no? We will take it as well, you'll see. We will take this trade. This today it will work, looks like it. This guru trade. This one I call it guru trade, you know. So this one came here. Now if they create continuation, they will close on the top of that, okay? Let's see. The guru trade problem is that look at the stop loss it will be if I take this one, okay? This long. Look how difficult it is. So your stop loss will be 50 points. Okay, so now to get 50 points, you have to wait here. And then look at the pain it is giving you from the guru trade. A plus negative minus setup. Look, this is a very A plus setup. Okay, this is the second trade. This is the guru trade, 55 points of stop loss. Okay. Risk to reward. Look, not even 2. But this one already you had your profit, you relaxed, you said thank you very much, everything you said it. Now why is not working? Because they taken out this high, na? And the guru trade, let's see. Today the guru trade will not work, means they are not with us. Short-term trading, take your money, that's what I think so. So this is guru trade, yeah? Already we are minus A plus setup, yeah? Taken out liquidity, higher time frame, said it. It can work, don't get me wrong, but the pain it's giving us, and this was my trade, yeah? So if you come out here, you had 60 points, remember? So already 1 to 2.7. This one closed down, guru trade will work. But the pain you took it, that's what I'm saying, is it worth it? Up to you. Definitely worth it. These are good trade. These are the area, then they will like, you know, but they have to close. Don't like go FOMO and just take it. They have to properly close on the top of that, this area. Okay, they're not doing it. This one should have just gone through. You understand? They need to close a little bit, otherwise they are not good. They are piece of shite. They didn't close, yeah. So like they're giving you pain because they know that lots of people are taking this trade because this is A plus 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 setup, you know. That's what they told us. Is failing, man. Your A plus plus setup, man. Look at this. And this one was my trade from a level. And this is A plus plus setup. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Painful, you know. You loved it? Liked it? You tell me. You see how they fail? Still didn't fail. But how much pain they're giving us? Do you understand? That's what I'm trying to say. But now you can buy, sell, everything you can do. But what they're gonna do? ES reached its guru trade level right now. Either ES stick to it or ES fail. Looks like ES is failing, man. So that means further fall. So the guru trade 55, now already 30, 40 points we are losing. Okay. Just come out from these kind of things, I would say. I'm now, it can work, but how much pain I'm taking? Do you understand? Like, this is the only thing I'm trying to say. If they close on the top of that, very good chance, because what they did, look, came to test the level back again. But it doesn't have a reliability. Don't think this is my trade. I don't trade like that anymore. I trade from levels, come out quickly. That's it. This one is not my trade. Okay. If you already know that, I like to trade from levels, not like confirmation. Look, why I'm saying it. This one is my trade. Is you guys already know. So this one I'm out. This one is the guru trade. I'm just showed you, okay. But why this was a plus 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 trade. You already know. Taken out liquidity, created a gap. They came down. This candle close on the top of that. Yeah, I would agree with you. That was our plan, no? But now they're struggling. So why it was a good trade? Taken out liquidity, created order block, created gap. Look, this is a super order block. This is a continuation they created. Okay. So I took the trade from here, but this one they said when a gap create, then take the trade from the gap, top of the gap. So from the top of that gap to here is 55 points. And then all this retracement you have to take. Look at how much struggle is happening right now. I mean, yeah, up to you. It's your life. I need to trade, man. I don't know which side. But once the continuation create, then the trade will be smooth. But now they're creating problem because they want to trap people. Same thing again happening, stacking in the the range, stuck inside the range. I'm losing focus already. So this was my idea. That one worked out. Remember I said it, this candle I want them to come down. So do I want them to come down now and create a bullish candle? I don't see any sign of it. I see blood. Only blood. That's the only things I see. You get me? So now if they give up, What they're gonna give us? That's the question. They've taken out such a liquidity, and from there, how they're gonna get bullish as well, and then the bearish, I don't know, man. Only side I can see is like I told you. Only thing they can do, this is a daily, daily level. So only thing they can do, they can just bounce back from here for no reason. You get me? So that is the only things I can see without a gap, because this is a gap. The creating further problem. Very, very problematic price action. Like you could like lose big rather than like, not like, because what they're doing right now, they can easily go up for a while. Yeah, easily. So they're trapping people right now. So like we have to see what they're gonna do. We have to see, nothing else we can do about it. Only thing we can do, just watch, nothing else to do, because they properly trapping people right now. Any side they can go like with a one-sided bang. That's what they're doing. High, low, every side is possible. Okay, so that's something like it's very, very problematic. Better to keep your dignity and your pride. They're taken out these highs, okay, all these highs. So now will they create continuation? A++ setup will be for us to grab. Is up to you, man. You have to decide. Are they taking this high? This high taken. So now question is that can they hold it? Still now I would say this high just taken, that's it. Is should be finito. So now they've taken out this high, is 1 minute left. Is got further up to go, or they can go down from here, because they've taken out this high. But this one already closed down, okay? So this is A++ setup is still active. A++ setup is still active. 1 minute left. They're trading in this consolidation. 1 minute left to 10:30. Very, very problematic price action. How they going? What do you think? 4-hour bullish candle you expecting? I don't know. They're just doing one side to another side. They can even come here to test this area, today's opening price, and then after that they can fall again. Anything is possible. Now 30. Look, this is the 30 candle. The question is this? I didn't even check today 15 minutes. I'm so much into this big trading. This one saying they can come a little bit up maybe in this area, and then maybe later on it's gonna fall. Are they saying it? Looks like it. This area maybe, yes, come. 30 started, they didn't do anything. So these are the high I'm watching. Can they come here, test these things, and then they fall back again? Where is my 930? 930 price is far. They should not go to 930 anymore if they have to fall. This area is the area I can think of. Ay. So far, not bad. So far, they did a nice thing, just consolidation. Do I like it? Why not? Let them do it. I cannot be right every single time. 4 hour bullish. Not possible. So now 15 minutes, they need retracement. Where? Up to today's opening price? They can do that easily. So today A++ setup worked. Yeah? I loved it. I'm happy for all the, what is it called? Social media gurus. Proud of you. So now they've taken out this high. Any high taken, you have to be fearful because it's a consolidation. Any high taken, you have to be fearful. Consolidation high, consolidation low, consolidation high, consolidation. That's what they've been doing until 11 o'clock every single day. If you're good in taking quick profit, you are profitable. But if you get trapped by them, this one looks like got further upside to do from the 15 minutes. Well, look at the problem they create every time they take a high. You know, so this high taken, they given you retracement, but they shouldn't have stopped here. If they have to go up, they should have gone bang like that. From this area, now this could be a retracement, a little bit more. So when they close like this inside, then this one deserves more downside. But ultimately, they should have just gone there. Can it be the candle? Can this be the candle? Or they want to go further down? That's the question, man. 45, 50, 50 price can be possible, man. So the further went up, taken out this high, and then just coming down. So now if they come to this gap, it will be like a, no wick. Look, see? Everything is ugly. Every high they take, then they create problems. It's like a consolidation trading, They don't have no guidance. But the downside, if they have to be bullish, downside I would say done. They should not go down anymore. But if they go downside, I don't know, I have to further investigate. That's what I'm saying. No, not today. In general, I'm saying from the higher time frame. I don't know if they're gonna do it like this and they're gonna go. I mean, this candle has already reached to this gap, and then they're trying to show falling. Do you like it? It should go a little bit further. Somebody say something, man. Trump, come, please. Trump, my brother, you should be here, man. You are not on our side. You are not a good what is that? This one this candle need to go up, need to go up, man. Come on, bang, bang. Give us a bang, bang. I took 2. I have to sell 1 there because they taken this high. Okay, I'm 1 out and I kept only 1 for my ego until this area. Just a little trade, just to gain something. So now this one created again continuation, okay, but this one didn't trade any kind of significant area. Or this one gone, we already done everything about it. So now it came to midnight opening price. Are they gonna create gap and then this high? Are they taking it or not? But they should have taken it like with a, I told you, with a bang. They're not doing the bang. So risk. Oh no, so they didn't create the gap anymore. Does it tell us they're stopping? Not really. They maybe this candle could be gone. Okay, now what they're doing? This candle, yeah, I'm out already. Yeah, I didn't kept it. This is my problem. Look, now it will run. So now they came here, which is like that. These are the area we talked about, isn't it? Look, 1 hour, how it became. So this 1 hour has to be like this one. Look, I don't think this is the order block. I take it as because they didn't trade it from anywhere. If they taken a nice liquidity, let's say if they came from here, I would have considered it. Or if they had a gap, I would have considered. This one can be proper bullish and go up to me. But the thing is that 4 hours, 4 hour now they can do it. This can be a bullish candle up to here. So I'm saying this is the things, we need to understand. And so now bearishness gone. Do you understand? Why? Because they reach to this line. If they have the power, this is the area they should do it. How important this line was, Look what kind of trap they did here. Look at this run. A++ setup worked today with a problem, but if you taken my entry from here, you remember my entry was from there and my stop loss was here. I never got a stop out and it's only 25 points to get all this high failure swing. Today's price, look, 150 points, man. Take small, 1 you would have get 300. Did I kept my trade? Not really. But did I understand this level? Yes, but the problem is that holding the trade became a difficulties for me. Do you understand? It's not difficult, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. I took trade from here as well. When they closed it, then I took the here, but the problem is I come out. Do you understand? I took it from here and then I came out here. So this is the problem. Why not believing on my system? But it's all right. Because then what I do, I take a trade from here, I come out here. And then these are, I know this is not a good way of trading, but sometimes if you can do 1-2 trades, this one actually give you the same amount of R. Look, if I would kept my trade, I had to take all this retracement. When you are already in a profit, 1 to 2, do you want to take this trade retracement or I just want to come out? So this one trade. And from here, when the retracing, let's say I kept the trade. So this retracement would have taken my money. So I took the trade from here and I came out. So basically my trade was from here to here. Do you understand the logic? Because I come out with the liquidity. So that's what I'm saying. It's nothing wrong with that. Now they're bullish. I think you understand, today I think I showed you the fact why I'm saying this area, this low should not give up. I mean, still now they didn't come out from the, there can be anything can happen, but The idea is good for short-term trading. Do you understand? That's what I'm trying to say. Look, this low I selected because it's daily low, one of the daily low. So they came here, first time they came here, remember here, the 2 days low they taken, then they gone high. There was problematic price action. I sold it from there. I didn't show you, I told you. This gap I was talking about never ever closed. Okay, so they still kept it. Then they taken out this liquidity, came to this level. Then from there, what they did, they little bit created a gap. They did an inversion here. I mean, what else you want? Look from here. Super trading. Look, they came to this level. Okay, if they don't like this level, they would have just bang bang gone through. They waited here. One time closed, second time they came back inside. Then they created a gap. This gap, buddy. Little shitty 1 minute gap. Okay, this gap they created. Then they further they went down. They didn't take out this low. Then they taken out with this candle. Okay, so that means this low taken, and they closed down on the top of this, you know, this candle. And then by this time they inverted this gap. What did it created? A very good setup. Okay, from a level. So then this gap they created it and they closed it. Next candle coming down, trade is there because this is the order block. Done, man. Stop loss there. You cannot take that much hit, then trading is not for you. So that is the things. So what was the understanding? We understood that they should come here because otherwise the trade this 4-hour candle would have looked proper ugly. Still now there are opportunity of trading higher because the 4 hours, if they're bullish, these 4 hours should come here, there today. I don't know today, sorry, I don't know, but there are trading opportunities still now. Okay, it's not out of the, let's say, wood. If they close on the top of these, there will be big run right now. Okay, so that's what we have to hope for. But there will be a little trouble here for a while as well, until I don't know what time. Because this is the new day opening gap. Okay, if they had to go, they should have gone quickly, but they closed it. That's the good thing. The continuation created already. So this low should be protected. I don't know why they're not going, because they want to create problem, man. That's what they do. From here, they can even fall. So how the continuation will fail, we'll see. Look, they closed down on the top because of there is a bigger things here. What is the bigger things? Powerful gap, new day opening gap. So this one stopped everything. Let me take out this one. There is no point of showing it. You already know what we did. So these things is stopping every kind of things you have, but time, next candle we have to see. If they are bullish, next candle, this one has to come here right now, and this one should have closed it. We got 1 minute left. This 1 minute is so important. If they are bullish, they should be staying bullish right now. They should not, any kind of bearishness should not show. They might calm down a little bit and then maybe they will go up. I don't know. But if they are bullish, they should have shown bullishness still now. This candle should be bullish and closed on the top of that. I don't know why they're not doing it. Because the next candle can give like a little bit of retracement. Got 10 seconds left, man. Come on. I know you want to do it, but you don't want to do it. You're showing attitude. Okay, fine. See? So this candle didn't regain the area. So now this candle given a tiny retracement. That's enough. That's enough. If they have to go up. From here, this low not taken, let's say, we'll see. Because they need to break this level. Once they do it, next, you'll see run. So you are thinking about they coming to this area and that's it, done. And then I'm just observing 1 hour. So ES already made everything bullish. This one should be bullish as well. I don't know why this one is struggling. This one is so bad. You know, look here. I don't want to see deep retracement. I want to see from this kind of area, they just go up, man. I don't want to see deep retracement, please. If they have to go up, this is the area they already did this job. If they come down and create a gap here later on, but there are buts all the time. Show some bullishness, man. This market is long-term bullish, man. Why? ES taken out. ES should run more. Why they're not going, man? NQ is such a problematic person. NQ, you are. NQ became naughty recently. NQ doesn't listen to us, man. You just close, man. Just close here. You are struggling. This candle, you should not struggle. The next 15 minutes candle, you should go bang bang to the top if you have to be bullish. Don't show any bearishness now. Please. Please, my friend. Oh my God. Look at this consolidation. Unbelievable, man. So painful to see. So painful. Look at these things, how dumb it is. Look at this. 1 hour, look. Every single time, NQ became seriously. I've so difficult, I've seen difficult market condition, but NQ just, they don't know what they're doing even, I don't even know what's going on, man, in the world. I just want to take some. Oh Lord, this one, what happened? Somebody did something here. Intervention, man. That's why today they're happy. It was 3.3. Yield fell 1.8%, 1.2%. Short-term interest rate going higher, and then long-term now. Who did this? Some people are selling bond. They crashed them maybe. Crazy. I'm telling you, it's crazy. When yields are going up, the long-term one, low, then stock market is good for a stock market. They feel happy because the big boys can borrow money for long time. Isn't it? I don't know. You tell me. It's my understanding. That's what I'm thinking. Everything they're doing. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Okay, you came down. What I should think of you? You're coming to trade this gap. Come down. Take out this liquidity. Low, down, little bit down. Come to test this. What is it? Midnight price. Okay, so then what? If you have any kind of bullishness, you should show it from this kind of area. This is the area. I don't want it to go down here anymore. This is the area they should show me sign. Oh man, so tiring. These people make me tired, man. Because I trade short term. So every single time you have to do, what they do. After that, you have to rebalance. To rebalance our life is the problem. So up to here, our analysis was fine. Now, because of the, tiredness, so this is the area they shouldn't have given up. They should have just gone and take out all this high. Can they fall from here? Absolutely. Because look at this, where they came. This was the order block, remember? When they came down, 830 price, they couldn't close on the top of that with a bang. So that means this is stopping the price. Look, this consolidation. So consolidations are order block. Simple as that. Nobody buying it. Everybody saying, oh, we don't know, man, what gonna happen? What gonna happen to this life? Our life is so bad. This is the area, remember we said it. Now they need to cross this barrier, this foothold. They didn't, they couldn't. They should have be powerful, man. You don't have no powerful man to buy these things, huh? You guys all coward, man. Buy, man. If I was there, I would have buy it, like everything. Everything for our company. This is not good. They're not holding. Come on, show us. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. No, they don't have power, man. They don't have power, man. Good boys, please go there. Come here, close down on the top of that. Oh, boys, 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 doing well. Good boys. Well done, boys. Well done. Well done. Push it a little bit more, please. Yes, you can, man. We are in the market, so please help us. Help your boy, please. Well done, boys. Great job. Close on the top of that, man. Just close it here, man. And then show us some sign and respect. So you saying that, you're going to new day opening up again, holding. These boys doesn't have power, man. They add too much like me, maybe. Lunchtime. They don't want to do that, man. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I came out. So I came out and immediately the boys will push it. Isn't it, boys? I came out with majority of my position. But this was the area they should have respect, They did it, but they struggle in the new day opening gap. So now they're coming down. What can I get it from this? And then if they close here, continuation will start, but not nice. These boys couldn't do it, man. So if they come down here, I'm coming out with break even. Do you understand? So that's my thinking. I don't think they should take out this low anymore. If they have to go up, this is the candle they should have gone up. This candle I wanted them to go up, but they didn't do it. Look, see. Good boys came back from lunch. I think they had some coffee maybe. Yes, boys, come. I know you're not gonna believe that if I take trade like this or not. Look, where did it enter? You understand? Look there. With one, I came out with majority of position because they were creating problem. Now, do you understand? So I want to see them like go high. I know I'm not a good trader, So just see what's going on. They close, let them close, isn't it? They should close higher, faster. But look, did you see how I entered it? What is the position right now? 80, yeah? There is 40 points already secured. So that's what I'm saying. Is it not good? Do you like it? Then that's good. My boys are back, man. They're back from the lunch and had a coffee. Good boys. Now they need to break this area, man. We need some strong boys here. Not little trader. We need a big boys. And they should not stop here and come back, yeah? Tell them to just take the market higher right now. These boys, man. I love it. I love it. Love it, man. Have some coffee and take the market higher, man. If you can. Of all the short seller, talk to them. But still, this one, this order block is not broken yet. Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited, man, here. I should not get excited. 50% of this consolidation is a order block consolidation. So this is the mean threshold of this area. Okay, so let's see how they break this area or not. That's the question. This is 50%. I have to set up my chart properly. But if they want to go high, they can. Why? Look at this high. What time was it? 46, yeah? This high is not in a... I didn't like it. That's what I can say right now. Do you understand? This high, I don't like it. Because they were like, farting around. That's what I can say. So my boys, I think I'm just done. I think I'll come out here. Yeah, I had enough of these boys. But it's not stopped, yeah? But I want to come out because I want to go out. I need to do something else because they can come here, test this area, and then go higher. I really enjoyed today. I'm happy how I traded. Everything was good, lovely. Short-term trading was good. Look, see, I came out. You don't believe me? You look at it. I came out and then they just falling. The big boys said, "Hey, go away, man." Now it's not finished here. Okay, don't get me wrong. There are opportunities still now. Still now, the big boys will take it higher. Look at this. My boys are back again because they traded this gap. And this time, these boys, I think they're taking it higher here. This high is vulnerable right now. I can see it. I can smell it. But until they take out this high, don't trust anything, okay? Come out rejection block as well. But trade should be finished here. Short-term trade. We are done here. Why? Look, there is a gap here. Then what else? 50% of the this consolidation. What else? You want to ask me? I will tell you. This is institutional price. What the hell is that? I don't know, man. Look, 6,600, 29,600. Institutional price normally 2, 4, 604, 602, 603. They give you a retracement. How much? Almost 20 points. Okay. So this gap was 20. I didn't want to take this 20 points pull back. I want to just come out. That's it. Say thank you very much. I was happy with that. You want to go higher? You can go higher because I don't have any kind of, what is it called? Energy left to spend on this anymore. I think my day is done. I'm happy what I did. And it was a great day. From this kind of area, without taking this high, they can create problem as well. But if they have to create problem, they need to go down fast. When 11 o'clock, they will go any side. This side, that side, all vulnerable. Look at this side, like a tabletop. Market doesn't like tabletops. This bottom look like a not ugly bottom, Is it good bottom? The bottom should be sharp, like this one. Look, ugly bottom. I don't like it. So now they're struggling, because this high is very, very important. Strong high. But do I believe they should take out? To me, they should take out this high and then they should come up somewhere. I don't know. But now they will struggle for a while. Look at this market. Doesn't even move 1 point. But when they moved it, did you take it? This coming down, we bought it from here and it came out. This trade, I could have just kept it. But the area, we identified it. Did they work? Yes. So these kind of things we need to learn. We will learn together. We'll understand these boys' mentality. And we want to be with those boys. Same club. That's our goal. This one can be absolutely bullish if they want to go high. If the big boys got some money. This candle should close so many foothold. Look. So that's it. Yeah. But this going down, how nicely it was. Please watch it, when it was there. When it was there, I was talking about it. Look, this area to come down. And then I said, from there, when they go down a little bit, then I don't want them to take down this one. Just listen, okay, today. So that's how, if you read the market with the logic, we have to have logic. And then we cannot believe that one that could just work, okay? So we have to think that, anything can happen. Thank you very much. So anything can happen in the market, okay? So nobody knows. We don't know. But from those level, can we take some risk? That's what I need to do. Anyways, I'm taking risk. Look here, when the A++ setup happened, I discuss about these things. This was a very good, but look at this pain they're giving you. So when they've given you that pain, still is a good setup. Then when I told you that if they can close on the top of that, then from here, the trade is perfect. to take it. Why? Because you're expecting it to take it higher. You had a bias. Will the bias always be right? No. I don't think so I'll be always right. But can I use my logic? Can I be like an algorithm? I mean, I know I'm saying big word, but algorithm means I'm saying like, how a computer program works. Yesterday I was discussing, it's like if, but, yes, no, what if, this kind of things. The computer works like that, isn't it? That's what I understood, when I had CSC 101, computer science and engineering 101. When you study the first book, it tell you, it showed you, I think it's called, I forgot, man, long time ago. If I can remember, I cannot remember, I forgot. I can remember, but I don't want to think about it. So over there, it was like, when you studying computer programming, it said like, if yes, go there. If no, go this side. Do you understand? So, and if like something, don't do anything. So stop there, So that's how the computer program get created. Yes. If it is yes, do this one. If it is no, do that one. Or if in between these two, like you don't know what to do, just shut down. So I don't know now what to do. So I'm shutting down. Okay, my chart is shut down. Look, this is high, still didn't take it, Why I said it? Because I mean, anything can happen, okay? Because this time involved as well. Now what is going on? I mean, look at this. So that's what I'm saying. Like, lots of things to discuss, lots of things to learn, Just I'm just doing it because all my funded account, I blown it in one day with a bad trade. I told you before as well. With this silver trade. This year was such a good year for me, when I started it. Like, I had funded accounts after funded accounts. All this funded account, I destroyed it in one night. This February. That night. And then after that, was it March or February? I forgot. Some of this area I did it like, No, I think this day, quite a lot of funded account, I just destroyed it. So that's why, like, this one I'll remember, this one. So I started in January, very, very good, all funded. Anything I was touching, it was getting funded. I had like all top step, full funded. What is the Lucid funded? Everything I lost in one night, this day. I don't know what I did. I know what I did. I can exactly remember the things I did. I was thinking about this. Yesterday I talked about it as well. This one is order block. I was thinking middle order block. And from there, I thought I'm going to buy it. So I was waiting for it to go down. I was absolutely sure that it will not take out this low. And I just, so they just did tiny bit more. And why they did here, I've got explanation for that. But, like now I think, we'll discuss about this kind of things later on another time. But do you understand why I came out like just there and then didn't want to take the stress anymore? And why should we take a stress? We have life, Now need to go out, do something. Look, I just came out where? In the area I told you, there. This one was my exit. And look what they did. They went a little bit higher to the rejection block. And they're creating all these things. Do I need to take this pain right now? Where I can just take in one trade, like a short term and quickly come out. So that's what I'm going to do from now on. Okay. So today we couldn't do it. It will be another day. Tomorrow, then I have to study. That's how we're gonna learn, how the mentality works. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today. If you just like it, if you're a new trader, why I'm saying it right now. I know I cannot talk because I'm not talking live. So I already explained, this PC I cannot do live. If I tried it, on that night I was checking like, if I do live, what happened? This I like to see my chart like that. Look, you see, I like to move quickly. I want to go chart to chart quickly, like, to see what happening, because I'm a short-term trader. I want to see what happening, and then after that, what I'm expecting, this kind of things. So when I put my OBS, and this one little bit struggle, then I cannot go like, then after little go like this, but I cannot do like this, all of a sudden I want to check, what happening like this, I cannot do that. So if I cannot do that, I'll not be able to perform. So that will be a stupid live, because this computer is a 2019, I think, iMac. So this one I've got 2 more screen, and so and his processor is not that strong to, like, at the time it was live streaming was not that much popular. So after the COVID they started live streaming, isn't it? So this PC struggles, simple as that. So I can buy it, another PC, and I can create my setup, but I promised on that day when I lost all my funded accounts, I said until I earn money again from trading, I'm not gonna buy it. So that's why I'm not doing it. That's why I'm recording it. I know it's not nice, you have to come back and then watch all the recordings, but it is what it is. Okay, so if you what I was trying to say, like, if you follow me, if you're a new trader, if you're an experienced trader, I don't have nothing to say you, because you can go anywhere. You should understand what I'm doing, or you should go to other people who got better, advanced teaching. I don't have any teaching. I'm just showing you things. Okay, so if you are completely new, I would say that, just check it what I do. I know it's very annoying. Sometimes I don't clearly explain. I can clearly explain as well. I can give you the explanation, but the problem is that I don't have like a what is it called? Like a platform where I can just, teach. And I don't want to be a teacher. But if you watch what I do, you'll understand. But you need to watch everything. I know I'm saying, but if you're a new trader, I would say give you time. Check it. If you have question, then ask me. If I can, I'll definitely answer you next day when I'm recording it, because then I can talk about it. But the problem is that if you like hopping from one place to one place, I'm talking to the new trader. Okay, if you're an old trader, you already know what to do, because you already been through, you already burnt enough, I would say. If you at least spend 3-4 years in trading, you already know what you're gonna do. Lots of people, they don't do it even 10 years. But I'm saying who is completely new, for the people, if you follow me, just don't like little bit watch it and just go away like like that. You're not gonna. What are you doing basically? You just hopping from one person to another person. You're going to that person streaming, you're going to that person streaming, you're checking that person, you wasting your time. So if you see that, I'm doing something, I've been in this one for, okay, I'm not that much profitable or anything, but it doesn't matter, but my knowledge is there. Do you get me? So if you see what I'm doing, if you clearly see it, ICT trading is very easy. Lots of people complicate it. Okay, so it's just the gaps, order block, you have propulsion block, you have breaker blocks. These are basic, man. It's just, you need only half an hour to learn all of this if somebody tell you. Okay, and then rest is just, look, I've got hundreds of lines, but I don't get confused with my lines. You know why? Because I got used to them. You'll get confused because you are not used to my strategy. So I'm saying, give attention, watch these things. Like, I would say everything I did it from today starting, watch it. If you, what are you gonna lose? Nothing. But then if you have question and you say that, oh no, am I wasting time with this guy? I'm watching his things, and I'm gonna give him 1 hour. If I give him 1 hour, what I'm gonna do? I have to watch some other people as well. You are wasting your time. You'll learn it one day, but it will take 5 years, 3-4 years of unlimited computer time. So I'm saying, like, watch the things properly. Ask me, oh, why did you select this line? Why you thought that at the time that this could be the area? It will do like a retracement. Now tell me, oh, why did you think like oh, this I will not take right now? Why, man? Ask me. I'll explain it to you. You see why I said it will be problematic. It didn't go. So I have my own logic. You will not agree with that. Maybe is different people got different idea, but my idea works like that. Do you understand? So we can discuss those lots of other things, but I'm saying ICT is very easy. And then this new week opening gap, new day opening gap. These are all old things. Before ICT even, I used to know these kind of things. Weekly high, weekly low. These are basic things. Lots of hundreds of years ago, maybe people already learned it. Weekly high, weekly low, daily high, daily low. These are important levels. So what do we learn from ICTs? ICTs teaches us order block, gap. I would say gap is one of the things, he said it for the first time. Order blocks, these are the things he said. But then if you say, market opening price, to keep it in your chart, these are old things, man. 8:30 opening price, because why? Because it's like the news comes up majority of the time. That time algorithm runs or not, that doesn't matter. 00 time, midnight opening price, these were there for ages. I've seen it before even learning ICT. Daily high, daily low, weekly high, weekly low, weekly midpoint, daily midpoint. These are all old idea. Okay, ICT put it in his system, whatever it is. But I'm saying to learn all these things, you need only 1 hour. Okay, so but the rest of the thing is in just psychology and how you see the market, the logic, and the trades you'll win. Some people have risk appetite, more risk appetite. Some people have less risk appetite. Some people are aggressive. Some people are like conservative. So what you are is up to you. Do you understand? But I'm saying, like, just watch everything. You don't need to go anywhere. It's done. Okay, so order blocks and then FVG, then breaker block, liquidity, and that's it. And the higher time frame, that's the only things. Okay, so if everything finished, man, I already told you what to do. After that is all how you see the market. Jason, how do I understood that today it could be a bullish day or something, and why it was not initially bullish, these kind of things is all you're going to apply the logic inside it. Okay, so these are the things what I said it to the people who is watching me. If you are new to trading and if you're trying to learn ICT, if you already experience, I said it, go do whatever, like you already burned enough, you became cold. Okay, so by saying these things, I have to say bye to you, and then because I have to go out, and I had a nice time, and we'll again try to make something another day. Okay, so I'll see you. Bye bye. You take care, and then definitely take care of your health, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow, same time. And then next Friday, I'm not sure, because I'm going to work back again. So yeah, we'll talk again and talk about our struggle. And by saying these things, I'll leave you. Bye bye.